Hello there. The schedule is open for mini album blueprints. January is already sold out. So if you're going to sign up for 2026, you want to look at dates from February on. If you don't know what mini album blueprint is about, let's talk about it right now. Have you ever wondered how I come up with projects, what my process is? How do I have these projects come to life the way they do? It's all in here. We cover it during the mini album blueprint live class via Zoom. The class happens during the course of 1 month, 4 days. For the times and dates, you want to look at my schedule online, because if I give you dates right now, guys, I'm going to screw it up. All right, so paperphenomenon.com, go look at the schedule and the dates available, and you'll be able to pick the one that you want. So 4 dynamic sessions packed with real-time instruction, design strategies, my design strategies, and hands-on creation. You walk away with 2 projects. One that I designed myself and give you instruction on how to do it, the ins and outs through inspiration, all the way through a finished project. And the second project, you make it. You also walk away with the mini album blueprint manual. This is it right here. So you actually construct this yourself. You get a digital file with all of the pages. And of course, I give you a tutorial on how to create the book. So you actually have 3 projects in mini album blueprints. So let me give you a peek inside. So good. Not gonna give it all away, but you have so much in here, guys, to take you through the entire process. This is my brain in a book. Let's say you bought one of my projects and you're like, I love this project, but this size doesn't work for me. I would love to make it in a different size. Mini album blueprint will show you how. Let's say you're walking in a shop one day and you see a thing and you're like, oh my gosh, that would make an amazing project. How do I convert this into a project? Mini album blueprint will show you how. If you happen to miss a class, can you rewatch it? Yes, you have lifetime access to all of the recorded videos. So I'm gonna take you through the process, through my process, step by step, with foolproof formulas for creating, resizing, and customizing mini albums and boxes to suit your needs. You may not want to create your own projects, but you may want to learn how to resize, and this will also do that for you. If I haven't answered any questions, I'm gonna be live on Friday, December 12th at 1 p.m. Central Time, right here on Facebook. So make sure you write that down. 1 p.m., December 12th, live right here on Facebook, answering all of your questions on mini album blueprints. So head on over to my shop, paperphenomenon.com, pick your date, sign up, because you don't want to miss it.